Hear this noise right here? Listen, listen.
I'm vanilla, baby. I'm choky, but I ain't no killer, baby. She's 28, telling me I'm still a baby.
You hear the extra vibration, which sounds like a blown speaker, you guys? Let me show you what that is. Take a listen. Don't pay attention to the song, listen to the noise.
You love Detroit like Skilla, baby. And the thing about your boy is Young MISSIONARY. He's sharp like barbed wire. She stole my heart, then she got archived. I keep it short with a bitch, Lord Farquaad. All the girls in the front row, all the girls in the barricade, all the girls in the waiting up day. Let your tongue hang out, fuck her.
What I'm trying to show you with only one hand, hold on. See if I can do it with one hand. Basically what I'm showing you is when you hit that extra rattle sound, that's it right there. Let me see if I can stop it over here. I can hold the other one with my hand.
And all the guys in the back waiting on the next track. Cut your boy a little slack. So Jack, I'm vanilla, baby. I'll choke you, but I ain't no killer, baby. She's 28.